Hey guys! So as you guys can see, this is going to be a makeup tutorial. I know that I haven't been making makeup tutorials in like so long, but like always, I never really want anything concentrated on my face. Like always, when my eyebrows start growing and stuff, like I said, I always usually like keep them growing, so when I do have a chance to go get them waxed, the lady that waxed my eyebrows has a lot to work with. But even though this time she did mess them up a little bit, like I told myself, since I have the chance to record this while my eyebrows are still clean, I'm gonna make a tutorial for you guys because you guys just been asking for it. So I know some of you guys are thinking like, wow, another like everyday tutorial. But the only reason I decided that I wanted to make this video for you guys is because when I go back and watch that first makeup tutorial that I ever made for you guys, like I'm just thinking to myself like, fuck, I'm lying to my subscribers. Like, ugh. I hate that video. Like, you guys don't even know. I think maybe it was because it was during summer, and whenever it's summer, like I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, sometimes I go out of the house with like no makeup on. So I try to keep it like as natural as I can, but then like I just realized when I watch that video, I do not ever, if I do put makeup on, I do not go out like that. Like that's like maybe my makeup tutorial for like when I was in middle school or something. Or maybe even when I was like pregnant. So I decided that I will make this updated everyday tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is not like fully like everyday makeup tutorial because I'm not gonna lie to you, my everyday makeup, I usually change it up all the time, so I don't really have like a set one yet, and maybe when I do have a set one, I will make a new video for you guys. But this is my like face that I do whenever I do have to like have on a little makeup. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but yeah, this is the everyday face. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I promise that I will start making more makeup tutorials for you guys, and yeah. So if you guys want to see how I made this, which looks very easy, and you guys just are bored and you just want to watch, then stay tuned. Okay, so as of now, I have nothing on my face. The only thing I have done are my eyebrows. I use the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in Ash, just in case you guys are wondering. I will, I don't know, sooner or later make an updated eyebrow tutorial because I don't do my eyebrows the way I used to do them anymore. But yeah, like the lady kind of messed up my eyebrows, so I want them to grow, and hopefully the next time I go get them done, she'll do them right. Whatever, dude. Okay, so the first thing that I do is use my MAC Studio Finish concealer in NW20, look like this, and I just basically use this for my like really dark circles. I don't know if some of you guys have it, but I have dark circles like that go all the way up here, so just use my fingers first, and I put it under my eye, just like that. And then I use my Sigma concealer brush in F70 to blend that out. So after that, I use my MAC Select Cover Up in NW25 to cover all like my little blemishes and stuff. So I just usually, you know, take a little bit on my finger. Like this product like works really good. Like I just take like a little dot like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I just start dabbing it like on all my pimples and stuff. And if I need more, then I'll squeeze out more. Around my nose, and then after that, using the same concealer brush, I just blend it out. that, I take MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. A lot of people use this as a base, but it's also an eyeshadow. But I usually use this on my eyelids just so my eyes won't like look like they've been sleep deprived, because like I said, I have like really dark circles right here, and I just want it to be like, you know, just kind of like even. So I like to use this just to have something on my eyelids, and I like how it comes off like matte sort of. I take my liquid eyeliner. You guys seen this in my past videos. Got it from Sally's. I try to make my eyeliner as thick as I can, because since this is a very like simple everyday look, I want something to stand out. So hopefully I achieve this. We're just looking at the camera. Okay, so I just applied my eyelashes. I was gonna use like my everyday like eBay lashes, but one of them just had to go missing. So I ended up finding these old ones that I've used like a lot of times, and yes, I reused my lashes because I'm cheap like that. But these are basically my e.l.f. $1 lashes. It's the dramatic and natural one. I just doubled them together because when I did try putting on the dramatic ones, they weren't dramatic enough, and I like my lashes kind of thick. But I think, you know, when you guys double them, they actually look really good. So after the eyelashes and everything, then for the rest of my face, I used my MAC Studio Fix. I'm in NC35 now. Wow, I just found the other lash. Oh well, these look better, right? So using a like flat top small kabuki brush, I don't know. This is by Raw Color. It's their maximum coverage foundation brush. I've used this like a lot with this foundation, and I just love how it goes on. I basically just put that all over my face. Look, you know, whenever I do have a little extra time, that's when I do add eyeshadow, or maybe even contour my face, or like add a little lip color on my lips. But like I said, this is gonna be a very like quick tutorial, just showing you guys what I do to my face when I just need to be out the door like right away. So I don't really contour my face like when I do have to go, because I feel like, you know, I don't have time to like blend it in. So all I do is just use a blush. I'm just grabbing the first blush that I grab out of my blush kit, and it's going to be my e.l.f. one in Candid Coral. I really like this. It's like kind of orangey or whatever, but just grab that and a blush brush and just put it on my cheeks. is showing up in my camera, like how much you can see it, but I think it's my lighting. I know that you guys have been seeing throughout the whole video that the lighting's been changing. I don't know what's going on, but the thing I like about this blush is, like, I mean, you can build it up to make it stronger, but the thing that I like about it a lot is it's kind of sheer, but it does give me that glow. Like, it doesn't leave my face looking so ghostly, I guess, like just white. So I mean, but then at the same time, it doesn't look like I have too much blush on. And then after that, like I said, sometimes I do put like lipstick on, but I don't want to this time because I'm gonna show you guys what I do real fast. I usually just use any chapstick to moisturize my lips. I used to use the Carmax, but in my favorites video. What? No? Don't interrupt me, okay? No. But this chapstick right here, my new favorite, the Blistex Deep Renewal, I just basically use that on my lips. Love this so much. So as you guys can see, this is my completed quick everyday tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry to those who were expecting something more like, I don't know, like smoky eyes and stuff. I promise you guys I will start making more makeup tutorials, but it's just like I said, I don't know, I'm just so picky. When my eyebrows start growing, I just don't want anything concentrating on my face. But I'm gonna try to keep them groomed. I'm gonna try to, you know, like do more makeup tutorials for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And like always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.